Hello guys, today we're giving a tour of my room. This is my library. This is a book that I'm reading. This is my watch. This is my bookshelf. There's multiple series in it. There's Dogma, there's Cat Kid Comic Club, there's L'Agent Jaune, there's Captain Underpants, there's Super Diaper Baby, there's Coco Labatt, there's Hockey Super 6, there's Investigators, there's the Bad Guys, there's Big Nate, and here are just other stuff that I don't use really. This is something I got from my school, École de Légion. It's for if you do something really good, you get a certificate. I did really good in English, so I got a certificate. And this is my gold play button. This is my calendar. Today was my mom's birthday, and this is my bed. I usually read my books here. This is my favorite spot to read books because I don't like that light to read books, and I read at night. So I use this little lamp to so I have light. And this is a picture of me. This is Lumgardier Das. This is a clock. It's not on the right time, but it's a clock. This is my carton. This is the medals. This is a decoration. And this is my piano. This is my study table. I have only one chair, so I can switch them. That's why they're so close together. And this is a cabinet. It's really special to my family because when they want to do pot, they get the gutka side from this. And they usually do it in my room, but it's their choice where they want to do it. And this is a photo of my 10 gods. And this is a photo of a really important god. And this is another photo of a god. And that's it for today. Bye.